It was just meant to be greasy, Jake.
It might be.
Okay.
He's really gone.
Okay. How many geese have you seen over there?
I told the guy I shot 3 coots last year.
Shut up.
Kill him there. Left side, kill him, kill him, kill him!
There you go.
Yeah, boys.
Granted, I shot it.
I shot at it.
I did not.
How many shots were fired?
It's gonna come more
that
like
thing covered some
straight
ground.
When he said
quick.
take him.
Just a little one, huh?
Mud puppy.
Colin's been waiting to pick one up and kill it.
Oh, we got one goose.
Everyone's gonna pluck one feather individually.
Hey, somebody.
There's a bunch in the decoys, guys.
Hey, shoot that one to the right.
Yeah, cover up.
Those back ones are coming right out.
The back ones
Oh, that's a good line.
Get ready, guys.
Hey, if that one gets up, kill it. Okay, those 3 are down. On the other side of that building.
kill the ones on the left?
Yeah. Yeah, how many are in the decoy? Just the one, right? Somebody kill that one on the left.
Get him on the left. I got a decoy right in front.
Hey! Hey! Get up!
I got it, Colby.
Oh yeah, there's one out front too.
Hey! Hey, hey! Wake up!
Shoot him, Kyle.
Roll that. Hey, hey, right side. Don't shoot toward the road.
We're gonna shoot a band today. It's gonna be one of these ones. Right. Opening day migrators. Have a slight north wind. Everybody else has been shooting migrators. We weren't seeing any, but we just had a group. So, what did we drop out of that? 4, 5?
6. They got in tight.
Yeah. Opening day migrators. Gotta love it.
A little fake band
And then
put on that.
go like this and then go back to it.
Not a bad little opener. Goose season is finally here.